Hello children, welcome back. As in the previous class, we have started chapter 9 measurement. In the previous class, we have learned standard units of length, measurement of weight, mass. We have completed exercise 9A, 9B and 9C. In today's class, we will know about measurement of capacity. The quantity of liquid a vessel can hold is called its capacity. So, the quantity of water or a liquid a vessel can hold, a water bottle can hold, is called its capacity. Here a water bottle, the total quantity of water a water bottle can hold, it's called its capacity. Do you know what is the capacity of your water bottle? Here, suppose it holds, a water bottle holds 3 glasses of water. It means its capacity is 3 glasses. So, if a water bottle holds 3 glasses of water, so the total capacity is 3 glasses of a water bottle. Bigger vessels have more capacity and smaller vessels have less capacity. If the vessel is big, it have more capacity, and if the vessel is small, then it have less capacity. Take a bucket and a jug. Using the jug, fill the bucket with water. First, here is a bucket. Here's a jug. Using this jug, fill the bucket with water. Suppose the water bucket, you are filling the bucket with water. So, the bucket can hold 8 jugs of water. Again, take a tumbler. Using this tumbler, here's a tumbler, fill the bucket with water and the bucket can hold 15 tumblers. Now, can you decide what is the capacity of the bucket? So, the capacity, clearly it has, the capacity is 8 jug or 15 tumblers. We get different answers if we change the vessel. See, if we change the vessel, first it was jug, then it is tumbler. So, if we change the vessel, we get different answer. To get the same answer every time, we use the standard unit for measuring capacity, that is liter. Liter is the standard unit of measurement of capacity. Smaller quantities of liquid are measured in millimeter. So, the smaller quantities of liquid are measured in milliliter and 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. In short, liter is written as small l and milliliter is written as ml, small ml. Thus, we write 1 liter as 1 liter, 2 liters as 1 liter as 1 L and 2 liters as 2 small l. Okay. 50 milliliter as 50 ml, 500 milliliters as 500 ml. Now, let's solve exercise 9D. Fill in the blanks. A mug can hold 10 cups of water. The capacity of the mug is 10 cups. A water bottle is filled with 8 glasses of water. If we fill a water bottle with 8 glasses of water, so a water bottle can hold 8 glasses of water. So, the capacity of water bottle is 8 glasses. The capacity of a bucket is 15 jugs. To fill the bucket completely with water, we need 15 jugs of water. As the capacity of a bucket is 15 jugs. Seema's water bottle can hold 8 cups of water. Rima's water bottle can hold 10 cups of water. Whose water bottle has more capacity? Here, Seema's water bottle hold 8 cups of water and Rima's water bottle can hold 10 cups. So obviously Rima's water bottle can hold more water. So the capacity, the water bottle has more capacity, Rima's water bottle has more capacity. Here Rima's water bottle. The capacity of a bucket is 10 liters and the capacity of a drum is 100 liters. 100 liters. If you have to fill the drum with water using the bucket, dash buckets of water are required to fill the drum. Here, the capacity of a bucket is 10 liters and the capacity of a drum is 100 liters. As bigger vessel has more capacity, bigger vessel have more capacity and smaller vessel have less capacity. So, a bucket hold 10 liters and a drum hold 100 liters. If you have to fill the drum with water using the bucket, here see, one bucket hold 10 liter and a drum hold 100 liter. So 10 buckets equals to 100 liter because one bucket equals to 10 liter. So if you have to fill the drum with water using bucket, so 10 buckets of water are required to fill the drum. Here number 2, how much liquid is there in each container? So here we have to measure the total liquid in each container. Here 400. Here 400 milliliter ml. Here 600 ml. Here 800 ml. Now let's do revision exercise. Write down the lengths of objects in the box. The first length of a nail is 3 centimeter. Write 3. Then of a pen, 5, ink pen 5, then a pencil 10 centimeter, then here 14 centimeter. Here the length of a straw is 14 centimeter. Now here weight of a teddy is 200 grams given over here, 200. Now bananas weight, here the bananas in one pan, on one pan, on other pan is a 500 gram. Then pumpkin weight 1 kg. Mobile phone, weight of a mobile phone 100 gram. 100 gram. Here color the object with which hold more than 1 liter red and those which hold less than 1 liter green. So here the objects are given and you have to color the object which hold 1 liter, more than 1 liter red and those which hold less than 1 liter green. So this is your homework. So that's all for today. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.